Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss the understanding of GMP Cleanroom classes and ISO equivalence. So friends, let's get started. First we will discuss what is Cleanroom classification. Cleanroom classification is a standardized system that categorizes controlled environments based on the maximum allowable number and size of airborne particles per cubic meter of air to ensure product quality and patient safety. Cleanroom classification is a standardized system that categorizes controlled environments based on the maximum allowable number and size of airborne particles per cubic meter of air. The most widely used global standard is the ISO 14644-1, which ranges from ISO class 1, the cleanest, to ISO class 9, the least clean, similar to typical outside air. GMP cleanrooms are categorized into 4 grades: grade A, B, C and D, based on the criticality of operations performed within each area. These grades correlate with ISO classes, providing a harmonized reference for a particular limits. First we will discuss about grade A cleanroom. A grade A cleanroom is the strictest controlled environment for high risk aseptic operations such as sterile filling and open vial staging. It is equivalent to ISO class 5, permitting a maximum 3520 particles, which is greater than equal to 0.5 micrometers per cubic meter of air. Then we will discuss what is ISO class 5 cleanroom. An ISO 5 cleanroom is a highly controlled ultra clean environment that permits a maximum of 3520 airborne particles, which is equal to 0.5 micrometers or larger per cubic meter of air, also historically known as a class 100 cleanroom. It prevents microscopic contamination during critical scientific and manufacturing processes. Then we will discuss grade B cleanroom. A grade B cleanroom is a highly controlled background environment used for aseptic preparation and sterile manufacturing. Under EU GMP guidelines, it equates to ISO class 5 while at rest and ISO class 7 while in operation, allowing a maximum of 352,000 particles, which is greater than equal to 0.5 micrometer per cubic meter dynamically. This means the environment is strictly monitored across 2 different states. At rest refers to an installed, fully equipped room with no personnel present, requiring ultra clean ISO class 5 conditions, which is maximum 3520 particles greater than equal to 0.5 micrometer per meter cube. And in operation means the room is actively being used with the operators inside, allowing of 352,000 particles during production. Then what is ISO class 7 cleanroom? ISO 7, also known as class 10,000, is a mid-level cleanroom classification. It restricts airborne particles measuring greater than equal to 0.5 micrometer to a maximum 352,000 particles per cubic meter of air. It is widely used in pharmaceutical packaging, medical device production, and electronics. Then next we will discuss Grade C cleanroom. A Grade C cleanroom is an ISO Class 7 which is at rest and ISO Class 8 which is in operation. Environment specifically designed for less critical pharmaceutical manufacturing stages. It is commonly used for bulk solution preparation, media handling, and setting of sterile filtration. A Grade C cleanroom is a pharmaceutical manufacturing environment regulated under EU GMP guidelines. It requires strict particulate limits that allow up to 352,000 particles, which is greater than equal to 0.5 micrometer per cubic meter at rest, which is empty with equipment installed, and up to 3,520,000 particles per cubic meter in operation, and which is actively processing with personnel. What is ISO Class 8 cleanroom? An ISO Class 8 cleanroom maintains a controlled level of cleanliness at a maximum of 35,200,000 particles per cubic meter at sizes of 0.5 microns or larger. These cleanrooms offer a moderately controlled environment suitable for industries where less stringent cleanliness standards are acceptable. Then next we will discuss Grade D cleanroom. A Class D cleanroom equivalent to ISO 14644-1 Class 8 or EU GMP Grade D is a controlled environment that permits a maximum of 35,20,000 airborne particles, which is greater than equal to 0.5 micrometer per cubic meter of air. It is the least stringent cleanroom classification, primarily utilized for basic hygiene and preparatory stages. Then what is ISO 14644-1 Class 8 cleanroom? An ISO 14644-1 Class 8 cleanroom, often referred to as a Class 100,000 environment, allows a maximum of 35,20,000 airborne particles, which is greater than equal to 0.5 micrometer per cubic meter of air. It is highly utilized for pharmaceutical background areas, which is EU GMP Grade D, medical device assembly, and controlled IT or data center environments. Here the picture shows which is cleanroom at rest versus cleanroom in operation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video of GMP and ISO standards helpful, hit the like button so I know to make more content like this.